In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work around Shopify's product variant limit. If you're using Shopify for your online store, you might have encountered some restrictions when trying to offer multiple variations of a product. By default, Shopify allows a maximum of 100 variants and 3 options per product. This means you can only create up to 100 combinations of your product options, such as color, size, or material. For many stores, especially those with a wide product range, this can be quite limiting. No matter which Shopify plan you're on, this limit is set in stone. However, there are ways to overcome this threshold, and I'm here to guide you through them. Let's start with third-party apps. Shopify's App Store offers a selection of apps like Product Variants, Reloaded, or Variant Options Unlimited that can help you manage more variants than Shopify's standard limitations. These apps extend your capabilities, often allowing you to handle up to 1,000 variants per product and even letting you customize how they appear to customers on your storefront. This can be particularly useful if your business requires more sophisticated variant options and choices. Another method to consider is theme customization. This involves modifying your theme's code to extract line item properties, which effectively lets you create more complex product options. According to the Shopify Help Center, this method can help you move beyond the variant limit. For those comfortable with coding or have access to a developer, this approach can provide ample flexibility. For simpler scenarios, another practical solution is to separate variants into different products. Let's say you're selling t-shirts in a multitude of colors and sizes. Instead of cramming all variants into one listing, you could create individual listings based on colors or sizes. This might sound a bit tedious, but it's a straightforward way to bypass the limitations while keeping your store organized. Using metafields and custom code is yet another method to surpass these constraints. Metafields allow you to store additional information about your variants, and by implementing some custom code, you can handle more intricate scenarios. This method is also supported by Shopify's best practices and resources. Let's dive into one specific app as an example: Product Variants Reloaded. This app enables you to sell up to 1,000 variants per product and offers you up to 6 options. With tools like this, each variant can still maintain its own SKU and inventory. Moreover, many of these apps provide free setup and seamless integration with your Shopify store, making the transition smooth and hassle-free. As a final consideration, if you're operating a large store with, say, 50,000 or more variants, be aware that you might hit daily rate limits when importing variants through apps or CSV files. Additionally, keep in mind how navigating through a large number of variants might affect your customer's experience. Ensuring that your store remains user-friendly with clear navigation and selection processes will go a long way toward maintaining and improving customer satisfaction. I hope this guide has clarified how you can successfully manage more product variants in your Shopify store.